Hey guys, welcome back to the Lightning Cyber, to the second part of how to configure pfSense. So now we're gonna create a alias. We're gonna go to the firewall. Here we're gonna clean aliases. So we're gonna clean app. Um, Clean app. So it's kind of slow. And I call. You can add any name. It's up to you. I just gonna ABC. That's gonna be the name 2016. I will give you a description. That's gonna be a private IP address. Right? Yes. And space. So we're gonna host when I say network. So we're gonna add 10 zero 10.0 slash and that's a slash 18.8 one slash. We're gonna add network and 172 168 16.0. That's gonna be slash 132 slash 32. 32, yes. Another network. Let's see, 169, 169, 254, 0, 8. Really, there's 8. This is down over here. Now add one more. One, this is 17. That's a loop IP address. So that's gonna be slash 24. And that's 24 here. Okay, we added the alias. So in cases that some of the machine that we added to our interface is not getting internet, so that's the type of address we're gonna get it. So now we're gonna clear and save. So your alias have been changed. So that's our full alias that we have created in our pfSense. So the next step that we had to do is apply changes. So now it's right there. So now we're gonna create make some firewall rules. We're gonna go firewall. We're gonna go rules. We're gonna go to LAN. So you see here we have the creations from port 443 to port which is port HTTPS and port HTTP. So we wanna create some rule to allow and not not allow some type or IP address or a website. So we wanna just create some rule now. So we wanna include the other point down. We're gonna so kind of slow, but okay. So that pass that okay, when I pass there, that's good. We're gonna select here is a line good. We're gonna allow IPv4 and IPv6. So we're gonna allow both of them, and we're gonna scroll down. Come on, go down. So we're gonna select sort. We're gonna select sort from the LAN subnet as well as destination is gonna be LAN subnet. So we're gonna stay in the same. And let's scroll down. Okay, here we're gonna description. We're gonna give a description to our role. So we get here. We're gonna the description say allow. Well, you know, right here. Yeah. Okay, allow traffic, right? Traffic to all devices. So devices that are on the network on the interface or line network. And so I feel like it's good destination. Destination is good. Destination other. You just feel destination is land, so other destination right, you know. So any. Okay, I'm gonna add any. And here I'm gonna any protocol. That's the thing that I forget to do it. Now yes. Now yes. And so what we're gonna do now is clear and save. So you play apply changes to add the rule. We clear already, right? Okay. So like you see, we have created a new rule, which is right here. I believe it is right. See, allow traffic to the devices. So dark rules are gonna allow that through traffic. So any between the older devices that are gonna be in the LAN network. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create another rule. We're gonna the down arrow again. So now we're gonna. So guys, something that I forgot to do is so we're gonna go back to interface. We're gonna option one. That's gonna be our attack network. We're gonna do change the name. And just attack. We can add attacks. I'm adding capital I 8. Attack. Attack land. That's it. Oh, attacker. Okay, we set attack lands. Like that we can identify. So, and what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go save. Like that we can so identify to it. It's gonna be easy to identify, which you know, just for the name, apply changing. So now action one, it is our attack network. So after the change having completed, we're gonna go back to the firewall. Just taking a little while. My okay. We have changed the name already, so we're gonna go back to the firewall. We're gonna go rules. We're gonna go now. Go land. So we're gonna. So now we're gonna go. Like you said, go down arrow. So here we leave alarms. We have a IPv4 so protocol. I will not change to any. Here source gonna be our land subnet. You see here we have our attacker LAN already. So we're gonna what is it? LAN subnet, right? And here in destinations gonna be our attack uh, subnet. This means that any machine inside of this network is allowed to communicate with the attacker machine, so they can communicate now. Uh, so we're gonna go now down. Oh, and so let's just add a description. Let's see, allow and traffic traffic to attack land. So I had to add the destination because that's gonna be the only way that that interface can connect. So because there are in different interface, if I don't set out the rule, it's gonna be impossible they communicate between them. So saying that, we're gonna save it. Click save. Just might taking a little while. So here you can see taking a little while. Could be. So now I'm gonna apply changing. So we add another rule, firewall rule. So we have one and two that we have already, and so now let's create another rule. Go down auto. So that's for command mode. So here's a good and protocol. We're gonna add any protocol. So here we're gonna add a LAN subnet. And so here we're gonna add address alias. So and then we're gonna add the ABC26. So this means basically that's gonna allow us to communicate with private IP address. And here, so just let me add the destination, the description. So I'm gonna say allow traffic traffic to any private. I would say non-private, right? It's an internet. Uh, so now we're gonna clean save. Just take into my apply changing. So this is another role that we. So this is gonna allow to connect to have communication with all that kind of IP address we are considered private IP addresses. So now we're gonna let add one more IP rule. So we're gonna add a rule that's gonna allow us to block everything. So just we're gonna select here and step by. So we're gonna block LAN. So here we're gonna select IPv6 as well as IPv4. Here we're gonna select any and here we're gonna select LAN subnet, and here we're gonna leave it as a anything. And so when I scroll down and here, so I block everything. I just description block. And so save and apply changes. So now we're gonna do the same thing for the tag. Clean attack. So I'm gonna clear another down and some rules. So pass. Here we're gonna add anything. Sorry, any. Here we're gonna add attack subnet, and here we're gonna add lamp subnet, which is the other network. We're gonna add discretions. Let's just allows traffic to land. I just clear and save. Apply changing. Apply changes. That's our first rule. The rule that's gonna be the last one. Uh, so when I click and block, so when I IPv6, IPv4, or IPv4, IPv6. So when I select here any, and so when I go down, when I select here, attack subnet, here when I select one subnet, that's gonna prevent so the when we're performing penetration testing, something if something go wrong, doesn't impact our whole machine. So I just gonna add a description here. Block traffic. So I'm gonna clear and save. Apply changes. Now we're gonna go diagnostics. Go now. Rebook. I believe reboot is over here. Rebook. Okay, reboot is right here. And so now reboot the system to I would say cement. So to apply all the changes that I did, so it's not gonna take like a 90 second. With logging again. So guys, that was our second part of how to configure pfSense. So guys, don't forget if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment, and give your like. And so just now when I wait to log in to show you if everything was well. So guys, we have everything here set up. So here we the chain that we changed the name, that was the option interface. We changed it to the attacker lamp. So guys, that's it for today for pfSense. See you to the next video. Bye bye.